Hi everyone, this is Speak Up. I hope you're having a great time today.
Can you smile?
Wrong.
Wrong? Okay,
So,
it's okay.
wait,
No,
sorry.
okay.
When they are learning. What was that again? Sorry.
Every teachers are doing that. Okay. You don't have to make it if you remember perfectly, okay? Just one more time. Question
Okay.
number 4. Don't roll your eye again.
Okay, sorry.
So what I'm waiting for is your last sentence, right?
Not yet.
Okay, do you want to say thank you?
Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Jelly Ann, but you can call me Jell for short. I am a nurse by profession, but I love teaching English, so I became an ESL teacher. I have been teaching foreign students of different ages, and I teach English for more than 7 years now. In teaching, I always assess first my students so that I can find suitable teaching methods which is good for them. For example, I also use free talking, but I also incorporate ebooks so that the students could learn better in class. Online class has a lot of advantages. 1. It is very convenient because you can use computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile phones if you want to learn English. 2. You can work and study at the same time on your own pace. 3. You don't need to go to another country just to learn English. And lastly, it is very flexible. Speak Up is a community that will help you learn at your own convenience. Learning English is very difficult, but you can improve your skills by continuously learning it and practicing it. By practicing, you will have more retention and you may apply it to your daily life, which will make you a better learner. So, what are you waiting for? Speak up and level up. For more details, please refer to the description below. Feel free to leave your questions or comments in English in the comments section. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.